Hi, and welcome back to Trailer Park Mom. We got us a TikTok unboxings. We got us a new mop head. This is the viral mop head. Now, this mop head separate your dirty water from your clean water. You put your clean water in here, in the middle, and then on the side, you have your dirty water. So you're not constantly dipping your water and cleaning it with dirty water. Ugh. We've been doing that for years, right? Mm-hmm. And here where you could just like dump it out. And also I got this on TikTok. Can't talk straight. So we got that. And also you get a mop head, and you get these replaceable things. You can take these off and then put them in the wash machine. And we got another one of those. Yeah. So this is going to come in handy, and also it comes with the where you put it together. Can you grab that, Joseph? Mm-hmm. Can you grab that? This right here. Be careful. Okay. Thank you, Joseph. Okay, we're just going to put that together.
I want help.
You want to help?
Yeah.
You can get the sticker off. You want to help Mommy get the sticker off?
No, I want help.
Okay.
I want help the whole video.
Okay. Mommy's going to put the sticker off. It got stuck to my finger.
Let me help.
All right.
Where's this a help?
Okay. Come over here. Come over
here. I'm coming.
You're coming?
I want to be on video TikTok.
Okay. Just go.
Just move your box. Move your body.
Move your body. You're funny, kids. Uh-oh. You're stuck.
Here's a 1 second.
Uh-oh.
Okay, there you go.
Okay, I'm going to have to put the phone here somewhere so we can...
But I don't think so.
There's Barbara Jade. There's Joseph.
No,
They got big, ain't they? So we're going to put this together. They got big.
I want a ninja.
Ninja. Be careful with them.
Help.
Yeah, would you hold that for me?
Yes.
All right. It's sticky. It's sticky.
Come here.
Say hi. Is it sticking to you? Hey, you're good. Say hi. All right. Here, let me have the other one, Joseph. Yeah, thank you. I think that's, yeah. I'm trying to put it together. Whoa. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What, falling down?
That's flat.
Y'all see enough of me.
Yeah.
See if I can. Y'all gonna see more.
I just hair on my mouth.
Yeah. We got them. There he goes. We got the mop head together.
Hey.
Look, a sword. Like the Star Wars.
So.
Look at Star Wars.
We got that.
I want to touch it.
And what you do?
I put it in there. That's tall. Look.
Yeah, it is tall.
Just pick a wolf.
Mama,
Yeah.
it looked like
Oh,
looked
my
like-
goodness.
Wow, you got such a wolf.
Okay.
it looks
Let me-
a weapon.
Oh. Uh-oh.
I got mine. Need my stretch my legs. Yeah.
Barbara Jean, you need to stretch your legs.
Yeah.
So what you do
Oh, my butt's my stomach.
is it spins. If I could.
It's not working.
Yep, it's working. It's kind of hard to do it when you. It does spin. It's kind of hard to do that when
Yes.
on
Happy.
the bed. You can't do that on the bed. But it is nice.
Yes, it's nice.
Yes, it's nice.
Come on, somebody.
Got your bunny? Okay. You got your bunny.
Yeah.
What's your bunny's name?
Prickles.
Prickles?
Prickles.
Oh, okay.
Like prickles. Like prickles.
Say hi.
Hi! Somebody say hi.
Yeah. Last time y'all seen her, she was a baby.
Yeah.
There's Joseph patting you on the head. Oh, okay, y'all something else. Y'all something else. So definitely go to TikTok shop and get you a mop, because we're not doing that. We're not doing that dirty mop stuff. Oh no.
Look, you like a big eye.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's got a little thing right here.
Oh, yeah.
See? Look. It's got where you can put the water in.
Happy.
Happy.
I flip.
Oh no.
The bunny took a
The bunny tacked the phone. You're silly. You're going to see a lot of them.
They're going inside.
There you go.
Ready to me, guys.
Uh-oh.
That's off. Look at it.